So in making a wig, first I'm going to fix the net on the dome cap, or you can hand it. I'm going to fix it.
You make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love.
Today I'm so happy to be here again. If you are first time to this channel, this is MnSBeautyKonzept. Try to subscribe. Hello everyone, thank you once again for joining us. I'm so happy to see you guys again. It's Wednesday again. Thank you all so much. I'm so excited. I'm every time overjoyous when I see everyone here again for us. So today's video we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a bone straight wig. If you are new to this channel we do a lot about beauty. In a period of time now we try to narrow our niche. I'm going to be concentrating on beauty, giving tutorials, making previews, reviews, unboxing of beauty products. Will be giving lots about hair tutorials, makeup on different looks, or making unboxing about beauty products or DIY of beauty products as well. A lot of organic things that I've used for myself that are really work well for me. I will also put the link on the do-it-yourself hair mask I did that I've been using. People know me, they know I have my hair for not even up to a year. The hair grows so fast like a magic. It's very, very long, if you can see, and it's very healthy and thick. So if this is what you'll be seeing, try to be one of this family. And in this channel also we also have a membership icon which you see close to the join button. If you have not been a member to this channel, try to click the join button and follow the steps. Being a member to this channel, there are lots of goodies attached to it. There are lots of things you enjoy from this channel as a member. Don't let me take lots of your time, so let's go straight to business. Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you once again for joining us now. Okay. Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you once again for joining us. If you are first time here is MnSBeautyKonzept YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be making a bone straight center part wig. What we need is 400-gram weft. This is 24 inches, and a center part 22 inches closure. Another thing, this is the M&S wig kit. If you are interested in making wig, you can get in contact with us, or I'll put the link also in the description box on how to get this wig kit. First thing in the wig kit, this is the hairband. This hairband, the purpose is to protect your baby hair corner, and you can use it to fix the hair very permanently. This is needed when the hair is done. This is a wig net. Because the customer I'm making this hair for, she has a little bit bulky face, so she's using a wig net L. And this is also a host net. The purpose of the host net is to protect your hair before wearing the wig. So you have to wear it like that, then you put the wig on top. We have the comb. This comb, we're going to unsew it to the wig when the wig is done, so you will see it. And the elastic band. The elastic band. This is M&S Beauty Glam. Or I should put it this way. I don't know how to do it. It's also the same. These are wig bands. So on every size we have different size. This is for a 4x4 wig. When it's a 4x4 closure, sorry to say, when it's a 2x6 closure, it should be a little bit longer. So let's do it. Other things we also need a clip comb to hold the hair. We need a thread, a scissor, a needle. And another important thing in making a wig is you need your dump cap and your tip pin. All these things are necessary. A wig net, because the customer I'm making this hair for, she has a little bit bulky face, so she's using a wig net L. And this is also a host net. The purpose of the host net is to protect your hair before wearing the wig. So you have to wear it like that, then you put the wig on top. We have the comb. This comb, we're going to unsew it to the wig when the wig is done, so you will see it. And the elastic band. The elastic band. This is MnSBeautyKonzept. Or I should put it this way. I don't know how to do it. It's also the same. These are wig bands. So on every size we have different sizes. This is for a 4x4 wig. When it's a 4x4 closure, sorry to say, when it's a 2x6 closure, it should be a little bit longer. So let's do it. Other things. So guys, so like I said, I've already fixed the closure. So now, when you are making a wig, you can start sewing the closure, but because I'm using 4 bundles, I'm going to be using my chalk as well. The way to measure, you measure the upside of the ear. The purpose of doing that is to get the right shape to know where you are sewing and to know how to fix it. Like I always said, we customize wig to fit each personality. The owner of this wig, she's a very beautiful girl. She likes bulky hair. When you are the type that don't like much hair, you can as well use 300 grams, which is also the same thing as a packet. So now let the sewing begin. So this is the chalk. I turn my manicure. You see here, this is the down part of the ear. So you roll it down. I don't know if you guys are seeing me. Don't be offended. So I'm going to, you see, have root there. And this the upper part, I have to root too, so that I can have the picture of when to really it is in the arrangement. I normally do that. So when I'm making a wig for you, don't be scared that I'm using chalk or other things to roll it. Before I deliver the wig, I will definitely wash the hair, condition, straightening, maintaining before sending. So this is the edge. I first start my needle. It's just easy. You know, different people sew in a different way. So now I'm going to focus the camera to the wig so that you can get it. So I'm starting from the back. Can you see? Yeah. I will sew one here. This place I'm not going to sew because some customers need to hook their wig there. Another important thing you need is the tip pin. I always need it. I always need my tip pin. Very important. So I'm going to be setting the